Bye, Splinter.
Oh, it's miserable. Ow. Yes. No.
Hey guys, good morning. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. So it is another lovely my car is beeping. It is another lovely vlog. So I went into Boot Pharmacy because I wanted to buy coily mousse. I want to wash this hair, and there's another coily hair that I bought from Shein. I actually unboxed it on my other channel, and yeah, so I was looking for coily mousse, so I went to Boot Pharmacy. So I got this Gantu coily mousse, okay, and I also got this Boot brand hair mousse as well. And while I was there, their leave-in conditioner was because Gantu leave-in conditioner, because we use Gantu. So while I was there, I saw Gantu leave-in conditioner for half price. It was 10 euro something, but I got it for 5 euro something. Like, I wasn't there to buy it, but because it was half price, of course I am going to buy it. Anyway, that is all I went inside the Boot Pharmacy to do. I want to also wash my 2 straight hairs and this one that I have on. I want to wash them. And yeah, anyway, that is all this morning. Look like a dead rat. They look like a dead rat. Jesus Christ. A big dead rat. That's what it looks like. So I have left the wig outside for like 30 minutes to dry out the excess water, and now I am drying it now with hair dryer. Yeah, just drying it, and then I will comb it as well. And yeah, like I feel like I am slowly becoming a wig girly. Like beginning of 2023, I did not have a wig. I only have one wig. That one week, actually what came about that one week is there was something that we were doing in Christmas 2022. I was in Nigeria, and everybody was like, oh, you need to get your hair done. I'm like, no, I'm a natural girl. I'm a natural hair girly. I don't get my hair done. I don't do wig. I don't do anything. Just me and my natural hair. And they're like, ah, come on, you need just even if it's a wig. So I was like, okay, a wig. What I was planning for that event is to pack my natural hair in the buns and just I don't know, but everybody was like no, no, no. And then my co-wives, my sister wives, was like, hey, no way you're going out there with your natural hair. You are definitely going to do something. And one of my sister wives, specifically my namesake, me and her have the same name. She is Uju in Igbo. I am Uju in Igbo. She just rang the person. I was like, we need a wig. We need a wig for this lady here. And after buying that one wig, I felt like, okay, it's not that bad. You know, that's what they say never. Because before I'd be like, oh no, I'm not gonna buy wig. Yeah, 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 yeah. Never say never, because you don't know when you will buy wig. When you will do that thing that you're saying that you're not gonna do. So after Christmas 2022, I love that wig. It was a straight wig, bobs, half. You guys have saw me wear it anyway. It's a bob straight wig, and I was like, oh my god, I was feeling myself. I was like, oh my god, I feel so different. There's something about putting on wigs that makes you feel like a total different person. So after that, came back to Ireland 2023 January, and here I am every other month ordering wig from Shein. At this point, I have now about 4 week from Shein. Yeah, I think 4 week. And every day they're sending me a new, like, notification of this wig and that wig. And yeah, but I totally love wearing wig now and being a wig girly and all that jazz. It just gives you a new vibe, a new feeling. I still love my natural hair. At the moment, I'm trying to grow back my natural hair because it went to a stage of cutting and breakage. So I'm looking after it properly. It's not like I'm wearing wig and then I'm ignoring the natural. No, no, no. I'm looking after the natural hair properly. I'm washing, I'm deep conditioning, I'm putting it in a protective style. And yeah, so I'm making sure that I'm doing my part when it comes to my natural hair. But at the moment, I'm gonna wear some wig. Anyway, this is me brushing the hair with hot comb. I think I might get there's a small hot comb that I see people using to brush the hair. This comb I got for my natural hair actually, but it brushes the wig very well without no problem, and at the same time straighten them out. But there's a tiny one I see people using on their wig that I might get for my wig. I actually saw it on Shein the other day. I might get it for my wig. Yeah, anyway, yeah, sit back and relax while I finish brushing my wig.
burning.
What's burning?
I'm burning. It's roasting. It's not roasting. If you wear black stuff, when it's hot outside, you're going to be sweating buckets.
Yeah, it does. It's very hot now, Killy. Yeah? So the time now is 4 to 4, going to be 4 p.m. anyway. And I am off to K-Ron School because it is a parent-teacher meeting today. And yeah, it's going to be an interesting evening. Yep. So guys, good evening. Oh my god, it is it is literally to 7. I came in here at 4, but it was a lot of people and you have to wait. The way they do the parent teacher meeting, you have to wait to see each teacher one by one, and there is a queue. Now you're waiting on the queue for the longest time to see one teacher. Like they finish at 6:30. I did not see 2 teachers. I have to call them later up this week so they can give me their report. But oh my god, it was too many queues. I have not had dinner. I did not make dinner for the kids because I was saying when I was hoping that I'll finish around 6 or even 5:40 at least. I'll come home and do some finger food. So I'm gonna go rush home now because the kids has not been fed. They must be dying of hunger. So I can get home and do them, maybe chips or something, whatever. But it is late. That is all I'm saying. I did not know that it's gonna take, well, I knew fairly that it would take a good decent of amount of time, but this one was a lot to compare to last year one. A lot of parents showed up this one and it was a massive queue. Like you could be waiting on a queue of 6 people waiting to speak to one teacher. So it's one, and then when somebody get in there, they want to take their time and talk to the teacher, and let the teacher explain what is going on, blah blah blah. So it's not like a quick see the teacher. You'll be sitting there and this person is talking to the teacher for 20 minutes, 15 minutes, 10 minutes. Some people can be quick, like 5 minutes they are done, but it took a good amount of time. So I did not get to see 2 teachers, but yeah, anyway, I'm heading
Crispy.